What's going on, mother truckers? So I just had a subscriber email me right now and say that he was involved in a 9 semi-truck pileup, and he's saying he's okay. I'm waiting for updates. I did look up the article, and yes, it's already hitting the articles and news, and it's letting people know that it is true. Now, it's on the I-44 on the eastbound, right there in Sullivan County, on your way towards St. Louis. So if you're going towards that way, just be careful. I just looked up an article that says that they're finally opened one lane. So if there's a lot of congestion over there, that's the reason why. But mother truckers, you know, I see this report, a video showing the roads, and you cannot even see the lines. You know, if you are not an experienced truck driver, you should pull over, or you should just wait it out. You know, all I have to say is your life is worth more than what you're trying to do here and trying to get there on time. If the load is 1 or 2 days late, it is what it is, but at least you can get in the truck and get home to your family, and that's what's most important. But I really appreciate that truck driver for sharing this. Here are some pictures of the pile up, and I'm just hoping all the truck drivers are okay. But yep, looks like they're clearing up still, and there is one lane open. So mother truckers, I'll be back with more updates of information to help you through your day.